So today I decided to make another doll transformation. This time I have a pretty big doll. It's the Disney Store Lilo from Lilo and Stitch. So let's get started. I'm starting by letting her hair down and taking off all the hair ties. Then I'm going to brush her hair a bit so she's ready for the next step. Now I'm washing off any stains that I found using some soap and warm water, and then I'm using some hair conditioner to wash Lilo's hair. I make sure to brush the hair while I'm washing it to make it nice and smooth and get rid of any knots. The hair conditioner makes it soft and easy to brush through. Then I'm taking a towel and drying her off a bit and brushing her hair again. I used a fine comb to brush through the ends, which were still a bit messy. Here I'm using an alt straightener on the lowest settings to straighten wet hair. Be careful with this one, and don't forget to ask your parents for permission. And now I'm taking a pair of sharp scissors and trimming the hair to make sure the hair is even length. Now let's make her outfit. I'm tracing the shape of her feet on some wax paper and filling that shape using a hot glue gun. Then I'm letting it cool for a few seconds and flattening it by folding the wax paper and pressing it down onto the glue. I'm making 2 strips using the same method and peeling all the pieces off the wax paper. Then I'm trimming the edges and connecting pieces together using some more glue. You want to make sure the flip-flops fit well, so make them a bit bigger than the doll's feet. And don't forget to paint them. I'm using some blue acrylic paint. I tried making her dress using some white fabric and wanted to dye it later, but it didn't work out very well. I traced the shape of her body onto the fabric, leaving some extra space for gluing. I cut out the pieces and glued them together. Then I tried dyeing, but I failed. So then I took the failed dress and traced it onto some red fabric, cut out the pieces and glued them together. This one worked out way better. I also made sure to glue the edges by folding them in to make the dress look nicer. Then I took some white fabric and drew on the leaf shapes. I folded the fabric in half to make them symmetrical and cut out a few at a time to save time and make all the pieces look the same. Finally, I used some fabric glue to glue the leaves onto the dress. And this is how Lilo looks like now. I think she's much happier with her new hair and outfit. Let me know what you think and if you'd like to see more videos like this. So, this is it for today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell icon to make sure you never miss a new video. And I'll see you soon. Bye!